Hi, this is Driving with the Miles. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I've been doing driver's ed about 21 years. So let's go ahead and get into it. We're going to be making a protected left-hand turn. It's about 6 in the morning, so people are still waking up. I have a blinking yellow. This means proceed with caution if the intersection is clear. So you want to inch forward, but not tailgating traffic. So I'm coming up to the intersection. I'm looking and I'm checking, and I have a nice gap. You want to turn into the nearest lane, and in our case, this is by the double yellow. So I turned and I'm right by the double yellow. I accelerate up to speed because your DMV tester, road tester will be looking for you to get up to speed instantly. The speed limit here is 50, so I'm at about 44 miles an hour, maintaining good speed control, taking my time, watching for cars, watching for people, using my eyes. Your DMV tester, road tester will look for you to have good eye movement, visually scanning, checking your speedometer every 12 to 15 seconds, looking around. I will have to make another protected left turn, so I'm looking. You don't want to get in too early. You want to wait for the line to be broken, which I did. You see me gradually slowing down, and now I have another blinking yellow. So then I come up, the intersection is clear. I want to turn in the nearest lane, so that will be to the left because I want to stay to the left side, and then I'm maintaining good speed control. This is another good area to take students. It is a circle drive around a mall. So it's a great area to show students how to have good speed control, how to have good lane positioning. You still have to be mindful because there are delivery trucks here in the morning. People are driving through here quite fast, and then you definitely want to take your time. So I'm maintaining the legal speed limit. I'm nice and smooth right now. So you always want to look ahead and scan. The road curves, so we have delivery trucks to the right. We're driving, we're taking our time, we're being patient, and you want to have great speed control. So I'm going to go around and do another loop, and I'm going to go up to the intersection, and then I'm going to have to wait. I'm going to have to get over one lane to the right. So it's mirror, turn signal, blind spot. I go ahead and get over to the right. I'm going to go ahead and keep my blinker on. We have another red light. Even though there is no sign there saying you cannot turn right on red, you have to stop. In the state and the location where I'm from, red means stop. I have a green, I look, I check, I go into the nearest lane, and I turn and accelerate. Really smooth. Your DMV tester, road tester will look for you to have good observation skills, to have smooth acceleration, to have good vision. And you want to have smooth stops. You want to be able to see the rear of the tires on the ground, because if you get rear-ended, you'll have the first collision, which is you being too close to the car, and then you'll have the second collision. So you want to be able to keep space. So I'm keeping my space. I'm checking my mirrors. I'm looking around. The light has turned green. I'm still checking. I'm going to be making another right-hand turn. So this would be a great training video for making good right-hand turns, coming up to intersections. I'm looking, I'm checking, always looking around. So I'm slowing down under 25 miles an hour. I look left, right, and then I turn hand over hand into the nearest lane. And then I accelerate out smoothly. So that is a really nice turn. Back up to speed smoothly. And a lot of beginning drivers, you're going to either press the gas too hard, the car's going to lunge forward, or you're not going to press it hard enough. So you want to wear thin sole shoes. So I'm maintaining good speed control. The speed limit here is 50. I'm at about 46 miles an hour. Speed control is nice. There's going to be a light coming up again. I'm going to make another right-hand turn. So I'm going to show you when you should turn on your blinker. So I'm about a quarter mile away. I'm turning on my right blinker. I check my mirrors. I'm gradually slowing down. I'm under 25 miles an hour. I'm at about 17. A car's in a hurry to make a turn, so I turn in the nearest lane. A lot of people are very impatient, so you really got to be that good defensive driver. So that was a good teachable moment. Now, they're passing me on the left because they're in a hurry and they're impatient. So never let other drivers put pressure on you. So let's review. I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. I've been doing this 21 years, so you know you're going to get quality content. I need you to subscribe to my channel, Driving with Miles. I have about 110 videos out and more coming. So I just want to say thank you for the support, and please subscribe, please like. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you.